Here are the details in detailing. And this is a V12 BMW 8 Series from early 90s that has been rebuilt from bare metal by its owner in the past 10 years. And he chose us for the finishing touch. The journey starts with deep cleaning and dismounting all the exterior elements that needed to be painted, followed by manual sanding of the clear coat in order to remove all the orange peel and paint flaws. In some cases, we used carbide steel blade to cut the excess clear coat. Polishing with various dedicated tools is the step that makes the bodywork shine again. Regarding the interior, we took apart everything we needed to ensure a perfect deep cleaning and refurbish all the parts that were damaged, but still keeping the patina of time that should remain for a more than 30 years old car. Small details will always make the big difference when a project is done, so we try our best to have all of them taken care of. To ensure a long-lasting shine, we applied Nanolex ceramic coating on bodywork and rims. If you reach the end of this presentation, you really have to follow us on our social media channels to keep up with DYC Garage next projects.